Okay, people, I've been having this problem with my 2004 Chrysler Pacifica. The intake manifold has an air leak. I found out where it's at. You can see, look right here. I put some rubber bushings in there because right behind this bushing is a bearing which controls these flaps. You can see right here, they open and close. Kept on getting the air leak through here, so my number 6 piston misfiring right over the top of this, getting air, sucking air down into here, straight up through here, and that's my problem spot. I just went to Ace Hardware, bought some bushings, and tried to fit it as tight as I could, you know, make it so it still can move. Still got some movement. But recently I just got a little bit of air suction off this very back one here. So went and got some high temp gasket maker. What I'm going to attempt to do is just seal this back seal, because it's a big seal, big area, and as long as I seal just this rubber bushing on it, this one should just ride up against it nice and tight, which is, it's been sitting up there nice and flat. You know, it's a harder actual rubber bushing with some nylon threading or something inside of it, but it's definitely more sturdy for it to ride up against, and it's rubberized on both sides, so it's not gonna cause a leak, you know, issue. It's pretty pliable. So once I got that done and taken care of, I shouldn't have any more issues, and my misfire on piston number 6 should go away. But if you ever have this problem on 2004 Chrysler Pacifica, this is probably your problem spot. Later video I will show you how to put it all back together and take it all apart, but for now this is what I got. Oh yeah, one other thing. I've taken this thing off many times over and over and over, and it just, you know, occurred to me that I should, you know, probably change this thing out, you know, since the other one that I had was pretty flattened out up here on these, along this edge here, and you can see this one sits, you know, well above it. You know, when I put my intake back onto the actual motor, it seals up nice and tight. And of course you don't want to tighten this bolt, that bolt, and that bolt. You want to go cross-hatched, you know, and get it nice and tight evenly. But that's all I got for now. Thank you guys.